This is a screenshot of one of my students who, just a couple of months ago, was struggling to make his first $100 with affiliate marketing. Today, he just had his first $1,000 day using this secret affiliate marketing method that I showed him not too long ago. In this video, I'm going to be uncovering what the secret affiliate marketing method is, as well as showing you how to implement it so that I can show you, for a fact, that anybody can go from a complete beginner to making over $1,000 every single day with affiliate marketing. Let's get started. Now, the first step to actually making thousands of dollars every single day with affiliate marketing is that number 1, you have to pick an affiliate product to promote as an affiliate. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the NutriProfits Affiliate Marketplace or Affiliate Network. I'm using this because they have a lot of really good offers and affiliate products, and they also accept anybody around the world. So, no matter where you are in the world, you should be able to sign up to NutriProfits and get your affiliate link and start making money with this platform. All you need to do to sign up to NutriProfits is to click the link below and come over here to where it says sign up. Basically, you just want to fill out all this information right here that you can see, and you'll literally get accepted in anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Once you've created your NutriProfits account, you basically want to come over here to where it says offers. Offers are basically where you're going to be looking and finding the affiliate products that you want to promote and make money with. Now, NutriProfits is primarily a health-focused affiliate marketplace, which means that 99.9% of the products that you can see on this platform are health-related. So, you can see some examples right here like weight loss products, prostate products, hair loss products, fertility products, blood sugar products, and many more. And if you look to the right, you can also see their commissions right here. So, if you promote this product, for example, called iVita Plus, you're going to be getting 40% commissions, which is about $39.99 on average. So, if you actually get somebody to buy this product called iVita Plus through your affiliate link, you are going to be making $39.99, which is really, really great. Another powerful thing I love about NutriProfits is that you can come over here to the category section, and you can select a category of health products that you want to promote. So, you can see the different categories right here, and you can basically just scroll down and see how many they have, and you can just come over here and pick any one that you want to promote. So, for example, I want to promote cholesterol-based products, so I'm just going to click on cholesterol right here. And all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to come over here and click on apply. Now, as you can see right here, it has shown me this product called Lipid Control Plus. And this product is basically a product that helps people solve their cholesterol issues. If you also look to the right-hand side here, you can see that this product is going to give you 30% commissions, which on average is about $29.40, which basically means that if you can actually get somebody to buy this product through your affiliate link, you're going to be making $29.40 per sale, which is just fantastic. So, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get your affiliate link for this product right now. So let's just do that and let me show you exactly how it's done. Now, you basically want to come over here to where it says details, and you just want to click on that. Now, once you click on details, what you're going to see right here is that you're going to see a bit more information about the product you want to promote. So, you can see right here, this one says Lipid Control Plus is a multi-ingredient food supplement desired for people who want to take comprehensive care of their cholesterol level. So, like I said earlier, this is a product that is going to help people solve their cholesterol issues, a product that solves a pain point for a particular group of people. And I love promoting these kinds of products because they are very easy to sell because if you can basically just put this product in front of people who are having cholesterol issues, they're going to be very interested in buying it because it literally solves their problem. If I keep scrolling down right here, you can basically see, like I said earlier, you're going to be getting 30% commissions, which on average is about $29.40, and the conversion rate is about 6.1%, which is also really high. Now, to the place where you guys are going to be very interested in, how exactly do you get your affiliate link for this product? All that you need to do is that you need to come over here to where it says geo-targeted links, and you basically just want to copy this link right here. Now, this link that you can see right here is your affiliate link. This is mine, actually. Once you sign up to NutriProfits, you're going to get your own unique affiliate link. So, you basically just want to copy this link right here, and then you want to paste this link in a place that is going to be very easy for you to remember. Because, remember, this is the link that we're going to be promoting and making money with. So, you want to keep this link very safe in a notepad document or in a Word document, a place that is going to be very easy for you to remember and go and locate it. So, I'm basically just going to be pasting this link in my document right here, and as you can see, like I said, this is my own affiliate link. Once you sign up to NutriProfits, you are going to get your own, and you are going to actually be promoting that link and making money through affiliate marketing. Now, I'm showing you basically the step 1, which is how to actually get your affiliate link for the product you want to promote. Now, let's move on to step 2, which is arguably the most important part of affiliate marketing, and is the area that a lot of people actually struggle with, and that's the reason why they do not make any money affiliate marketing at all. Now, what exactly am I talking about here? In this step, I'm talking about, which is step 2, is getting traffic to your affiliate links, also known as getting targeted people to see your affiliate links or your affiliate products so that they can actually buy through your link. So you can start making money right now. Arguably, getting traffic is one of the most difficult things that beginner affiliate marketers struggle with. And that's why a lot of them are not able to make a decent amount of money with affiliate marketing. And a lot of them actually give up because they can't get traffic. Now I'm going to be showing you a secret traffic source that I have used to literally make tens of thousands of dollars. And this traffic source is very easy to get traffic with, and it is very targeted. And I'm going to be showing you exactly what that is right now. And fun fact, like I said, this is the actual traffic source that my student, I showed you earlier, used to make over $1,000 in a single day. If you know what this is, then let's dive right in. Now, the traffic source I was actually talking about is a platform called Quora.com. And it is very sad that a lot of affiliate marketers, especially beginners, love to sleep on Quora because they don't think that Quora can actually make them money. But I have literally made tens of thousands of dollars answering questions on Quora and putting content out on Quora. And I've literally shown proof in multiple of my other videos that you can literally check out after watching this one. Now I have multiple Quora accounts, but this is the one that I feel free to share because I literally haven't uploaded content on this my particular Quora account in literally almost 3 years. But as you can see right here, the content I've uploaded before is still getting views and still making me money till this day. Although like I said, I haven't posted in almost 3 years to this particular Quora account. Now, if I come over here to where it says last 30 days and I literally just change it to all time, you can see that my answers on Quora on this particular account have gotten over 73,000 views and have literally made me tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly, step by step, how to properly promote affiliate products on Quora so that you can actually get people to buy through your affiliate link and start making money right now. And also very importantly, how to do it the right way so that you don't get your Quora account deleted or banned. Now, what exactly is Quora to begin with? Quora is basically an online platform where people who have problems or have questions come to look for answers or solutions to their questions. So basically, people come to Quora to look for answers to questions like what is the best place to build an online website? How do I lose weight fast? What are some ways that I can solve this problem or that problem? So Quora is basically, like I said, a question and answer platform, and it is a really powerful traffic source if you know what you're doing, right? So if you remember earlier, I said that the product that we are promoting is a cholesterol product, which means that it is a product that helps people control or take care of their cholesterol levels. And like I said, it's a product that solves a problem. And these types of products are very easy to sell. Now, what we basically want to do is that we want to go ahead and create a Quora account. It literally takes 2 minutes to do so. So I'm not going to walk you through exactly how to do that because it's completely free and very easy to do. Now, once you've created your Quora account, you want to come over to the search bar right here, and you want to basically look for questions that people who want to buy this product will be asking. So for this example, I'm just going to be typing reduce cholesterol in the search bar right here. And as you can see, these are basically questions that people are coming to Quora to ask. So you can see this one right here that says, can eating nuts help reduce cholesterol? This one is saying, how do I naturally reduce cholesterol? This one right here is saying, what are the ways to reduce cholesterol? This one is saying, how do I reduce the blood cholesterol? So these are basically human beings who are coming to Quora to look for answers and solutions to this problem that they are having, which is a cholesterol issue. And if you remember, like I said, this product is a product that can solve this problem for them. So I'm very sure that if you can actually put this product that solves this problem in front of these people that are asking these questions right here, we can make a whole lot of money for ourselves and actually provide value to these people, which is very important. So I'm basically going to be clicking on this question right here that says, what are the ways to reduce cholesterol? So I'm just going to click on that right now. And as you can see, some people have already started answering the questions right here. So you can see some people have already left their answers, which is really great. And as you can see right here, this person's answer literally has 58,000 views, right? All the people that view this answer to this question are people who want to reduce their cholesterol. So basically, what we want to do now is that we want to look for a way to answer these people's questions. And we want to creatively put our affiliate link and the affiliate product that we are promoting right in front of these people so that they can actually buy and solve the problem that they have, which is high cholesterol. Another thing that we can do, which is really powerful, is that if we look towards the right here, we can see that there are more questions that people are asking and are looking for answers to. So after answering these questions, we can also go ahead and answer this question and also provide value. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how to answer questions and how to make money on Quora right now. Now, what we want to do is that we basically want to come over here to where it says answer and click on that. And right here, you can see the question right here where it says, what are the ways to reduce cholesterol? So we basically want to start writing and thinking of ways that people can actually do to reduce cholesterol. Now, if you don't know anything about cholesterol and you don't even want to do your research, you could basically just go to Google and look for blog articles about how to reduce cholesterol and basically just rewrite them and put them in this answer box right here. You can also use a really powerful software called ChatGPT, and you can use ChatGPT to write an answer about how to reduce cholesterol and basically just paste the answer right here. The key to actually getting a lot of views on Quora is that you want to write answers that are pretty original. So you don't want to just basically copy and paste what ChatGPT has written for you or copy and paste what you have on the blog. You want to still take your time to actually go ahead and write answers that are original using the content from Chat or the blog articles on Google. Don't just be lazy and copy-paste, take your time and answer these questions diligently. Actually, take your time to provide value to the people who are asking these questions because that's going to increase the chances of your answers getting views and attracting targeted people to buy your product. Now, once you've written your answer, what exactly do you do, and how exactly do you go about putting your affiliate link in your answers so that you can actually start getting people to buy this product through your affiliate link? What a lot of beginners do is that once they finish writing their answer, they go ahead and just copy their affiliate link and paste it in the box, expecting that once people finish reading their answer, they will now go over and buy their affiliate product. While this used to work in the past, it doesn't really work anymore. The real reason is that Quora has started cutting back on affiliate links. If you actually put an affiliate link in your answer on Quora and do it consistently, your Quora answers will literally not get any views, and most of them might actually get deleted. If you keep on doing it consistently, your Quora account can actually get banned or completely deleted from the website. So, I'm going to show you right now how to promote affiliate links the right way on Quora without having to put your affiliate links in your answers and risk your account getting deleted or banned. What we basically want to do is go over to a website called sites.google.com. Then, we want to come over to where it says blank site and click on that. Now, right here where it says your page title, we want to change this to the #1 way to lose cholesterol in 2024. That's going to be our headline. The next thing we want to do is come over to where it says text box and click on that. Once we get to this text box, we want to go over to where it says font size and increase the font size to something like, let's say, 48. Then, we want to type this right here that says click this link. Once we've typed that in, we want to highlight this text and go over to where it says insert link. Then, we want to copy our affiliate link and paste it in this box and click on apply. That's literally it. Once all that's done, we want to go over to where it says publish and click on publish. We want to give our site a name, so I'm just going to name it Cholesterol Landing Page. Once that's done, click on publish, and our site is good to go. The last thing I'm going to do is come over to where it says copy published site link and click on that link. Then, go back to my answer on Quora and say something like, if you want to find out the #1 solution to high cholesterol, click this link below. Once I've typed out my call to action, I'm going to paste the link that I copied, which is this site link. Now, once people are done reading my answer, they are going to see this call to action, and they will click the link. Once they click the link, it will take them to the page that says the #1 way to lose cholesterol in 2024. When they click that, they will come over and click the affiliate link, which will take them to the page where they can buy this product that helps them solve their cholesterol issues. If they go ahead and order this product after clicking the affiliate link, we are going to make, as I said, $29.40 for every single sale. If you do this consistently, you can end up making anywhere from 20 to 30 sales every single day. Yes, I said every single day. All you need to do is be consistent with Quora. Like I showed you guys earlier, I've made a lot of money with Quora on my multiple different Quora accounts, and it 1000% works. All you have to do is take the time to actually put in the effort so you can start seeing results and start making money for yourself, like my student that I showed you guys at the beginning of this video. If you want to watch more of my really powerful affiliate marketing content, be sure to click this next video showing on your screen right here.